Hi, boys and girls. Please start with writing your name at the top of your paper. Awesome. Way to go. All right, the first instructions at the top of our page says, how many an and ab words can you make with these letters? So with these letters here in the box, we are going to make words that end in an and ab. So I see a C here. I'm going to start with that beginning letter, K. And I'm going to end it with an, can. And then I'm going to move on to my next word. Ooh, I see the letter F. Fan. Then I see the letter B. Ban. Ban. My next letter is the letter D. I'm going to do the word Dan, which is a name, so I'm going to capitalize it. Dan. Our next letter is the letter A. An. An is a word all by itself. My next letter is the letter L. Lan. Lan is not a word, so I can't write that one. My next letter is the letter N. Nan. Ooh, Nan is a name. We're going to capitalize it. Capital N. Nan. My next letter is the letter T. Tan. And my last letter is the letter M. Man. So using all of those beginning letters, we made a lot of words that ended in an. You can go through and do the same thing with the beginning letter and words that end in ab. So back at the top, I see the letter C, cab. Cab. Now all of our lines are filled, so we're going to go ahead and move on. You can see that our next section says, write the name of the picture that rhymes with the word in each box. So we have the word man, and I see a picture of a fan and a picture of a bag. Fan and man rhyme, so I'm going to write the word fan. Our next word is the word dab. I see a jar and a cab. Which one rhymes with the word dab? That's right, cab. So I'm going to write the word cab. Then I have the word crab. I have a rug and a lab. It's like a scientist who works in a lab. Rug or lab, which one rhymes with crab? That's right, it's lab, because crab and lab both end in the ab sound. Family. Then we have can, pan, dog. Does pan or dog rhyme with can? That's right, it's pan. Can and pan both end in the an word family. All right, moving on, it says, our next section says, take the dog to his bones by coloring the path of an and ab words. So I'm going to color using green today. And our first path is going to be an words. Here's our dog. Oh, can ends in an. Fan ends in an. Can you see any other words that end in an? Man, pan, Dan. Good job. We took the dog all the way to his bones. In the next box, we're going to be looking for ab words. So the first word is dab. Dab. Then we have lab. Do you see any words that end in ab? That's right, it's cab. Keep hunting for words that end with ab. We have jab. And right next to jab, we have tab. And we did it. We took the dog to his bone. Our last section says, cross, oopsie, sorry, bumped something. Our next section says, cross out the word that doesn't belong. Rewrite the sentence with a word from the box. So the words in our box, we have pan, Dan, and cab. Let's read our first sentence. The first sentence says, I got in the fan. Can you get inside a fan? Nope, you cannot. I can get in the pan. I can get in the Dan. Or I can get in the cab. Which one makes the most sense? So I'm going to cross off fan. And I'm going to rewrite the sentence using a word from the box. I got in the cab. I'm going to cross off cab because I just used it. Let's read the next sentence. It says, the dab is hot. The pan is hot or the Dan is hot? I'm going to cross off dab because I know I'm not using dab. Does pan or Dan make sense? That's right, pan does. The pan is hot. My name, then I'm going to cross off pan because I used pan. My name is Fat. Fat definitely does not belong. I'm going to cross off fat. And now you're going to write by yourself a new sentence that says, my name is Dan. You'll rewrite the sentence with the name Dan. Okay, friends, the next part of our paper today is reviewing short A. You'll need purple, pink, orange, yellow, black, and brown. As you color your paper, please pay close attention to what colors you'll be coloring what. Yellow, add. Words that end in add, you'll color yellow. Pink, words that end in ack, you'll color pink. So for example, here is the word, I'm going to color a pink word, pack. So I would color the entire section pink because the word ends in ack. And then words that end in ad, like mad, I would color yellow. Once you're done coloring your entire picture, please turn it into the mailbox and move on to Lexia. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great today. Thanks for your hard work.